Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of men?
Thanks, David. Pippa. Pippa. Oh, you good girl. What are you doing? Are you telling him to get up? Are you biting? You can't bite. Stevie, you cannot have his shoes. You can't. I know you love him so much, but you can't have his shoes. No, you can't. His shoes were right beside mine, and she doesn't touch mine. So your sweater is probably too small. I cannot find sweaters that fit you. Come here. I will. Yeah. It's too small. They're too big. Are you wanting out? All you have to do is push it open, see? Yeah, just like that.
I used to have a wife, but she said she had enough. I used to have a car, but it got repossessed. It seemed the Lord had found someone he likes to test. I've lost all the man could lose, that's why I sing the blues. I used to have a home, it burned to the ground. I used to have a dog, now there's nowhere to be found. I used to have money to buy what I need. Now the only thing I got is an alimony plea. Got nothing but bad news, that's why I sing the blues. A sister and a brother who won't pick up the phone. I used to have friends who listened to my plight. Now they all stay clear out of sight. Seems all that remains is the news. That's why I sing the blues. Seems all that remains is the news. That's why I sing the blues. Seems all that remains is the news. That's why I sing the blues.
doesn't want to play with you. She doesn't want to play with you. No. You are beneath her. Literally. I can't make her play with... No, I can't make her play with you. No, I can't. Are you gonna go with me to the post office? Or do you want to stay here and fight with Siri? You wanna go? You wanna go? You can stay with Siri if you want. Yeah, we have to go to the post office. If you're gonna go, come on. Ouch. Ready, come on. Ready? Yep. There you go. Okay, I did it. Does that count as my social thing for the weekend? Huh? Does that count? No, probably not. Okay. What you doing? Making a mess? What do you have, Stevie? That Siri just smacked out of your mouth? What is that, Adam? I have no idea what this is. I think it's one of the straws from the marble bowl. Stephen! Rearranging. being circled by land sharks. I think so, yes.
Welcome to cooking class. Can I put it in?
Yeah, but you need to take the wrapper off.
Ew, this is disgusting. Welcome to cooking class. We are recording right now. I can see that it says recording.
You can see that it says recording. Alright.
Today we will be making pumpkin bread. Can you vlog us tomorrow? Well,
I'm gonna try to vlog every day.
Mom, can I go get a towel?
It's okay. Okay. Can you put that in and then we'll do one with that?
When's the pumpkin? Whoa!
After the eggs, I think. Yeah, it's messy. I know.
Patty. How do you get it like off the sink?
It has a little.
It's getting all over
Teaspoon of cloves.
It's getting all over my feet. Can I smell it?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells even better than cinnamon.
It's in your molasses cookies you like so much. Oh boy, I have to get more nutmeg. This will probably finish it. Yep. That's all the nutmeg we have. You can put it home. After you cook it and puree it. You were going to have to do way bigger spoons than that. Okay, you want to turn it on again?
Sure. Look at that. I'm not doing it fast because I did so fast that flour was coming out.
Is it good? You can't have very much.
We interrupt this episode to bring you exciting news about how you can support small businesses. Stay tuned after the show to learn more. Are you tired of losing your spot in your knitting? Would you like to add some unique handmade items to your accessories? Look no further than Simply Serving on Etsy.com. Simply Serving is a woman-run handmade business that offers a wide range of handmade products. From stitch markers to earrings and necklaces, Simply Serving can guarantee a personalized experience for artists and lovers of the arts. Using crafting supplies such as economically sourced wood, polymer clay, and US printed paintings, Simply Serving is sure to have something you will love. So head on over to simplyserving.etsy.com and see how you can support artists who make their living with their own two hands. Simply Serving, notions and accessories, handmade just for you.